Hello guys, hello the new channel. This is me, Spart, your beloved normal guy doing the crazy things on the internet. YouTuber, you can find me on Facebook, anywhere. Ayun, nandito ako sa event na napaka-solid and ang dami kong nakilalang mga tao. Especially itong the new channel, kaya gusto ko lang i-share yung experience ko. First and foremost, nakilala ko yung live stream head ng TikTok. Katabi ko pala. So, that was the crazy part of the event for me kasi TikTok platform medyo dumadami ng creators and mas lalo na natin kailangan maging obliged na sundin yung mga rules nila. And of course, as a creator, I want to explore na and as well as create what I want and what I think is authentic for me. So, I think yun yung nakuha ko talaga dito on this event kasi hindi lang sa live stream pero sa kung ano yung pa yung mga kayang gawin ng creators in the future kasi ito na na-implement na sa kung saan bagay at we're headed towards that direction already. It's just a matter of time, so we need to adapt. Definitely we're gonna be having some challenges along the way, especially as a creative. I don't know when it comes to the technical stuff because it's gonna be implemented soon. But in terms of creating and adapting to a new platform, a new digital era, a new niche, it's gonna have challenges talaga. Well, I'm pretty open to all of those stuff, flag bashing. Kasi yun yung open as a creator, kailangan maging open ka sa feedback. And yun hindi mo maiwasan talaga. So, flag, mapabash, ano pa, lahat nangyari na yan. Yun nga ako I'm a normal guy na gumagawa ng mga kabaliwan. So, kumbaga, siguro hindi na mawawala dun yung mga negative na bagay. Yeah. Natutuwa rin ako dun kasi I think it's gonna be a great movement for us na makasama sa mga gantong agency, na maging aware sila na mayroong mga gantong klaseng creators. And of course, katulad ng sinasabi nila, their direction is to have a more responsible economy when it comes to being a creator. Maging responsable tayo sa kung ano pinopost natin, di ba? So, yun, I guess yun yung pinaka-natutunan ko sa lahat ng mga being responsible and being open to criticism and being a creator, authentic creator. Yun lang. For sure, it's gonna be something to look forward to because not everybody goes, not all of these people right here don't go somewhere where they don't consider themselves useful, you know. So lahat sila dito may kwenta. Lahat sila dito may value na may bibigay. Diba? Kaya sobrang laking respect na lang rin sa mga tao nandito. So huge big up talaga na look forward to yung mga gantong. Magpo 4 years na ata ako sa pagiging content creator and nag-start pa lang rin na nagbabago yung mundo So and parang it's all of us shaping the world together. So ako, I'm just coming back Comeback pa lang ngayon this 2025. So expect nila sa akin na I guess magiging authentic pa ako lalo. Sasabihin ko yung totoo. At papakita ko lang yung reality ng buhay. Sa kung ano yung naiisip kong konsepto. Kasi katulad nga ng sabi ng TikTok live stream head, you can do anything you want as long as you don't violate the rules. Anything you want, you can change the world as long as you don't violate the rules. Yun. Message ko is first and foremost, act accordingly kasi hindi biro yung mga tao dito. May mga unbelievable people like the congressman, the trans woman congressman. Kaya nakakatuwa yun. And hindi ko malalaman yun kung hindi dahil dito sa event na to. Let's say just that, okay? Ganun na lang kasimple yun. So, let's be more proactive sa mga gantong events. Kasi marami kang makikilala, marami kang matutunan, at I guess, pagka-uwi mo, satisfied ka. Ayun, busog ka. Plug ko na lang siguro yung kaibigan ko na susunod, si Shanner, yung We The Future channel na pausbong pa lang. We're waiting and we're grinding so hard right now. 2025, ang daming nangyari. Hindi ko na alam. Basta abangan nyo na lang. Bata pa kami at marami pa kaming energy. Ayun, gusto ko lang mag-thank you. Ayun, I guess I just want to thank all of you guys, you too, and of course my audience, sa community ko na nanonood, sa mga nakakilala sa akin. Huwag kayong mag-alala, okay lang ako. At ayun, let's make this thing happen, 2025 na. Baguhin natin yung mundo, katulad ng sinasabi nila. Bye-bye guys.